60-foot pole, and this is a 6-foot section that with the guard, so you can see. And what gets interesting is as you go up higher, you can use your shoulder. And the idea is you keep the right angle. If you just physically try to move it, it's going to catch. And Simpos are really designed that you could extend it all the way up and raise it like a ladder. But I want to show you, there's no stiffer pole in the market. And these are 6-foot sections now. So I'm resting it on my shoulder now. Now it gets a little harder. I only have 2 more to go. I can lift it up now. And we're at 50 feet. Look at that. And then I would extend this out and then raise it, but I'm not strong enough.